12.4 volumes of prisms and cylinders. So we have a couple more formulas here. So volume of a prism is area of the base times the height. Volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. So notice that little part right there, that is the formula for the area of a circle. So it is still area of the base times the height. So find the volume of each prism. So here's our base. The triangles are the bases here. So I need the area of that base is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 of 10 times 12 would give me 60 for the area of the base. And volume equals big B times H. The height of this, even though it's on the side here, if you tipped it up, would be the 25. So we have 60 times 25 for the volume, which gives me 1,500. And that would be in cubic centimeters, because now we're talking volume, so now we're in 3 dimensions. Okay, example 2. Find the volume of the oblique cylinder round to the nearest tenth. So with cylinders, it doesn't matter if it's oblique or if it's regular. It's still the volume equals pi r squared h. We have a radius right here, and we have the height here, so I just have to substitute those things in. It says to the nearest tenth, so that means I'm going to type all that stuff into the calculator. So I have pi 15 squared times 25 gives me 17,617.5 cubic feet. Okay, example 3. It says prism A and prism B have the same width and height, same widths and height but different lengths. Oh, there we go. Okay, so these are the lengths on here that are different. Find the volume of prism B. If the volume of prism B, sorry, I can't read today, is 128 inches greater than the volume of prism A, what is the length of each prism? So we have the 2 prisms subtracted. So if I do B minus A, it's going to give me 128. So the volume of B, which is the bigger one here, is length times width times height, because the area of the base is 4 times x and the height is the 9. So this would be 4 times x times 9 minus, over here we have 4 times x times 5, and that has to equal 128. So now I'm going to solve that. So this gives me 36x minus 20x equals 128. So I subtract those and get 16x. 128 divided by 16, x equals 8. So that's what this length would be, and it looks like we are in inches here. Okay, last one. Find the volume of the cylinder to the nearest tenth. So on here we have, same thing, pi r squared h. So I have, here's my radius, and my height seems to be the same thing. So I'm just going to plug that into the calculator. Which gives me about 18.3 cubic centimeters. Alright, so you have 2 to take care of there. And for your joke, what do fish take to stay healthy? They take vitamin C. Okay, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and make sure you're kind to someone today.